Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue which is while you try to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10 using Windows 10 Media Creation tool and the error code came up with 0x80072F87-0x20000. First, I will show you how and when this error is appearing. For that, I will go to my Windows 7 PC, which is I want to upgrade to Windows 10. And here, just open the web browser and search for Windows 10 download and hit enter. There you can see Microsoft.com web link. Just click on it. And here you can see create Windows 10 installation media, and also you can see download now option. Just click on it. And the media creation tool is downloaded, and for installation just click on open. And you can see the error is came up. There was a problem running this tool. We are not sure what happened. And error code 0x80072F8F-0x20000. Now let us go and see how to solve this error. For that, first you have to create Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. For creating Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive, first you have to go to another system running with Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 11. Here I am using Windows 11. And first you have to connect your USB flash drive on your Windows 11 computer, and it need minimum 8 GB free space. After that, just open your web browser and search for Windows 10 download. Hit enter. There you can see Microsoft.com web link. Just click on it. And it's opened Microsoft.com website. There you can see create Windows 10 installation media. Click download now, and the media creation tool is downloaded. Click on open for installation. Now the Windows 10 setup is started. And click the license agreement accept. Here you have to choose create installation media, the second option. Click next, and here you can choose the language, architecture and edition. System automatically selected the language and edition and architecture. You can uncheck that option and you can choose manually. I just select use recommended option. Just click next. Here you have to choose the media. I just select USB flash drive. Click next. select the USB flash drive, click next. Now the Windows 10 is downloading. Now download is completed. It's verifying. Now it started creating Windows 10 media. Almost completed. Now you can see your USB flash drive is ready. Click finish. Now just open your my computer and check the properties. You can see user space 4.28 GB. And if you open the USB flash drive, you can see all the setup file created over there. Now let us see how to run Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive on your Windows 7 PC. For that, just connect the created Windows 10 bootable USB on your Windows 7 PC. You can see here. And just open. You can see all the setup file there. For installation, just click the setup file. And now you can see it is started. Now the Windows 10 setup window is open. Just check that box. I want to help make the installation of Windows better. Click next. Now it's getting updates. Checking the PC. Now the license window is open. Just click accept. Now getting the updates. Now the window is appear, making sure you are ready to install. And here showing making sure your PC has enough space, and here showing ready to install, and you can click what choose to keep. You can keep personal files and apps, or keep personal files only, or keep nothing. Just select and click next. Now it's getting the updates. Just wait for a while until the updates done. Once all the Windows update is downloaded, after that your Windows 7 PC will restart. And you can see here started installing Windows 10. Between it will restart several times. And now you can see Windows 10 loading files. Now the updates are going on. It's completed. Now you can see the Windows 10 is installed, and you can see the login screen. You can enter your login password, same as before. Almost done. Just click accept. Now you can see your system is login to the new Windows 10, and if you check system properties, there you can see Windows 10 Pro installed. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.